Class, for our last video today, we are in the back of our notebook. We'll start in the back on page 74. 74. All right, we've got our ers on page 74 and 75. Class, which do we use in member? Good, we use the of her, so go ahead and write and mark member. Wait, what's the first syllable? Good, mem. And the second syllable? Good, burr. Say the sounds while you write them. And of course, we go in this column, our first the of her. All right, check it. Nice job. All right, our next one. All right, let's go to our ease page. So that's going to be 78 and 79. All right, we've got our e's. We're looking for AE that we do not use at the end of English words. So when you find AE that we do not use at the end of English words, go ahead and put your finger on it. Where is it? All right, it's right here. We get to write our first word in that column. Our word is receive. Class, what's our first syllable? Good, re. And the second syllable? Good, sieve. Now we know which E to use. Remember which S we're going to use? And then we need something at the end as well. Right, so write it and mark it. Again, this one's tricky, so if you're not sure, do it on your practice paper first. All right, make sure your receive looks like that. All right. Now we'll go to our oo page, which is 84 and 85. All right, so we're looking for our word pour, but it's a two-way word. Class, how do we say pour to spell it? Good, well, since we know we're going to use an oo sound, we know it's pour, right? Pour. All right, so now which oo do we use in the pour that we learned today? That is the antonym of rich. What is it? All right, good, it's our oo. Okay, so go ahead and write and mark pour in that column. And make sure it looks like that. All right, class. Now we're just going to hop to the middle section of our notebook and put all of our words in there. Let's see, so we are on page 49. And this is going to be lesson L-1. We're starting list L today. All right, our first word is receive. So which E are we going to use in receive? Good, AE, that we do not use at the end of English words. All right, so go ahead and write it and mark it. And check it. All right, again, I'm going to go kind of fast for this part, so if you're not finished at any point, go ahead and pause it. That way you actually get to practice instead of feeling like you need to copy it. All right, our next word is pour. Class, how do we say pour to spell it? Good, pour. All right, go ahead and write and mark that. All right, our next word is rich. Say the sounds while you write them. All right, our next word is present. Class, what's the first syllable? Good, prez. And which z do we use? Good, z. And our second syllable? Good, ent. All right, write it, mark it. All right, and check it. Nice. All right, our next word is member. Member. What's the first syllable? Good, mem. And the second one? Good, burr. All right, our last word is remember. So all you need to do is add a prefix, the prefix re, in front of that base word we just wrote. So go ahead and write and mark that, remember. All right, class. The last thing I want you to do is choose 2 of the words from today. I want you to make up your own sentence. Make up your own sentences. So at least 2 sentences. Do 1 spelling word in each, at least. And check it at the end. Make sure that it is complete, that it has all 5 parts of a complete sentence. All right, nice work today, class. I will see you tomorrow.